How to fix Samsung phone does not turn off. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix if your Samsung phone is not going to sleep. So what I'm talking about here is if you leave your phone untouched for an extended period of time, it should go to sleep by itself or it should turn off the display. But if that is not happening on your phone, there is a settings that you need to tweak on your device to make it happen. But before getting started, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. So the settings that you need to change is first head over to your settings menu, scroll down and under your display settings, you'll find the screen timeout settings. And as you can see, it's set to 10 minutes right now. So if I leave my phone untouched for 10 minutes, it will go to sleep by itself. But if this screen is turned on, this settings, that keeps your screen on while viewing. And it does it by using the front camera to detect your face. Make sure that this one is turned off. And after that, you can set your screen timeout to whatever you want. I'm just gonna set it to 1 minute. So if I don't use my phone for 1 minute, it will automatically go to sleep and turn off. So that's how you fix this problem. I hope you found this helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.